If you're wondering how you can set up Face ID on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just go to Settings, then tap on Face ID and Passcode. Then enter your lock screen PIN, and over here you will find an option called Set Up Face ID. Just tap on it, and from here just tap on Get Started, then scan your face using the Face ID by placing your face in the camera frame, which will appear right here. First of all, just tap on Get Started, and as you can see, this is the camera frame. Just place your face over here, then move your face around so the Face ID on your iPhone can capture all the different angles of your face. Now I will scan my face, and after you scan your face, then tap on Setup Later. Then tap on Done, and once you do that, you will set up Face ID on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can set up Face ID on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.